luggage or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a light travel bag.
Any colour, any size. Whoops, it fell off.
Have you got a safety pin?
No.
This is when you're travelling light to go to a rock and roll event.
That's it. Pink ones or blue ones or yellow ones.
Can't believe this.
Well, we've got a 22-seater.
Wow.
Would you like a pair of earrings, my friend?
Oh no, I just wear my diamonds, thank you very much.
Oh, excuse me.
Hello.
I just left my diamonds.
Can you remind me of something, guys? When we go out tonight, Glenn and Amanda are going to be there?
No, they're not. How do you know that?
Okay, Amanda's
Did you get the tickets?
Hang on, hang on.
Get away, Brian de Passy.
Yeah. Did you get the tickets?
At the door.
Shine my name all over the place. You ain't a thing I wanna do, but come on, cat, don't step on my boots, and don't you step on my blue suede shoes. You ain't a thing, don't step on my blue suede shoes.
See these stockings, sir? They just got laddered all by themselves. Whoops.
How come you came down the side?
Catches on everything.
Thank you, sweetness.
Oh, here he is, the man himself. Down there, he fell down the stairs all by himself.
Will you just be getting out of this building, please, all right?
I'm just waiting to be picked up, sir.
Pick that woman up, why don't you?
She's too heavy, she's too heavy.
Don't you have no manners? You got no manners?
She's too heavy, man.
Where did you grow up?
He didn't. He hasn't grown up.
Come on, Mary.